In this problem, we need to find out the value of the given trigonometric expression. Let us begin. So here we have cosine of 2 pi over 15 multiplied to cosine of 4 pi over 15 times cosine of 8 pi over 15 multiplied to cosine of 16 pi over 15. Now, what we'll do, we will multiply the entire expression with 2 times sine 2 pi over 15. And this is an extra term that we are multiplying to the entire trig expression. So, we will need to divide it by 2 sine 2 pi over 15. The reason why we multiplied the entire expression with 2 times sine 2 pi over 15, because if we consider the product of these two expressions, 2 sine 2 pi over 15 times cosine of 2 pi over 15, here we can apply a formula. Here we know for a fact that if we have sine 2 times sine of theta multiplied to cosine of theta, that is equivalent to sine of 2 times the angle theta. Meaning, now what we can do, we have the extra factor 1 over 2 times sine 2 pi over 15. Here we can combine 2 sine 2 pi over 15 and cosine 2 pi over 15 to get sine of 2 times the angle 2 pi over 15. So 2 times 2 pi will make it 4 pi. So we have 4 pi over 15 multiplied to cosine of 4 pi over 15 times cosine of 8 pi over 15 times cosine of 16 pi over 15. Now, we have a simplified form. Now what we can do, we can multiply 2 sine 4 pi over 15 and cosine 4 pi over 15 with 2. Now 2 is an extra factor that we're multiplying, so we'll multiply 2 to the denominator as well, such that we now get 1 over 4 times sine of the angle 2 pi over 15. Now again we can apply the same formula here. So 2 times sine 4 pi over 15 times cosine 4 pi over 15, that's going to become sine 8 pi over 15. This will get multiplied to cosine 8 pi over 15 times cosine of 16 pi over 15. Again, we'll multiply the numerator with 2 and multiply the denominator portion with 2 as well. So that's going to be 1 over 8 times sine 2 pi over 15. And 2 sine 8 pi over 15 times cosine 8 pi over 15, that's going to become sine 2 times 8 pi, that's 16 pi, so we have 16 pi over 15, multiplied to cosine 16 pi over 15. And finally, we'll multiply and divide by 2. That's going to give us 1 over 16 times sine 2 pi over 15, multiplied to sine of, so 2 times 16 will give us 32. So we have 32 pi over 15. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's try to simplify 32 pi over 15. So how shall we do it? Sine 32 pi over 15. So that can be also expressed as sine 2 pi plus 2 pi over 15. Now the reason why we're writing in this fashion, because sine of 2 pi plus theta, that's simply sine theta. So we'll get sine 2 pi over 15. Here we have used the fact that sine 2 pi plus theta will be equals to sine theta. Sine is a periodic function. Therefore, now we will get 1 over 16 multiplied to sine 2 pi over 15. This is multiplied to sine 32 pi over 15, but here we have showed that sine 32 pi over 15 is equivalent to sine 2 pi over 15. So we can factor out sine 2 pi over 15 from the numerator and the denominator, leaving us with the final value 1 over 16. Now that means the value of the given trig expression, this is going to be equals to 1 over 16.